सही है।
Sir, you're on mute.
See, suppose we have three distinct objects A, B, C. Okay. And these are three different seats on a circular table. A, B, C, just rotate it by 120 degree, you will get this one. Rotate it by 120 degree, you will get this arrangement. In case of circular arrangement, these three arrangements are same because once I arrange it, then if I rotate it by 120 degree, it becomes this. Rotate it by 120 degree, it becomes this. So all these three arrangements are supposed to be same circular. All these three arrangements are supposed to be same arrangements in case of circular arrangement. Okay? But if you cut it from here and stretch it, this arrangement is CBA. This one is CBA. This will be
BCA.
BAC. And this will be
ABC.
AC.
ACB, sir.
yes,
AC. BA.
CBA. I am counting in this way, ACB.
Yes, sir.
So in case of linear arrangement, they are different because you cut it from here and space it. The arrangement is this. So all these three arrangements, in case of linear arrangement, they are different. Okay, but in case of circular arrangement, once I arrange it and rotate it, whatever is the position, it's same circular arrangement. So three linear arrangements. These three are different linear arrangements gives us one circular arrangement. Okay? Three linear arrangements gives us one circular arrangement. Okay? So three objects linearly can be arranged in how many ways? Factorial three ways. Okay? Three factorial linear arrangement unitary method gives us 1 by 3 into 3 factorial circular arrangement. Factorial 3 by 3. Number of circular arrangements equal to factorial 3 by 3. Now let us generalize it. Suppose we have n distinct objects. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So again, if the angle between this is 120. Now, if we have n distinct objects, let us arrange it in a circular table. So this angle will be how much? 2 pi by n. And if you rotate it by 2 pi by n, it will be same arrangement. So n different for n distinct objects. For n distinct objects. N circular arrangements and linear arrangements gives us one circular arrangement. N distinct objects can be arranged in how many ways? In factorial ways. Will gives us that equals n factorial by n. Okay. So number of circular arrangements, this equals number of circular arrangement. Okay. So number of ways we can arrange n distinct objects in a circle is n minus 1 factorial. That equals Understood? Number of ways we can arrange n distinct objects in a circle is n minus 1 factorial way.
Yes, sir.
Number of ways we can arrange n distinct objects in a circle equals
N
n minus 1
factorial.
factorial. Is equally. Prime Minister and 10 cabinet ministers found a circular table. Is total we have 11 persons. Fix the prime minister here. This seat is fixed for prime minister. Now, once we fixed a point on the circle, the other arrangements will be linear. This is fixed for prime minister. We don't have any option. So in remaining 10 places, 10 members, we have to arrange linearly because it is fixed. So in how many ways we can arrange them? 1 into
10 factorial.
1 into 10 factorial because this seat is fixed for PM. And the other arrangements, now it will be like a linear arrangement. So in remaining 10 places, we can arrange them in 10 factorial ways. Okay. Next. 7 gentlemen and 4 ladies. In how many ways we can arrange 7 gentlemen and 4 ladies around a circular table? So that all ladies sit together. All ladies sit together. No two ladies sit together. All ladies sit together. No two ladies sit together. First bit. Same logic. 4 ladies, 1 unit. We'll assume 4 ladies as 1 unit and 7 different units. The total number of different units are 8.
8.
7 plus 8. 7 plus 1, 8.
Yes, sir.
So these 8 units can be arranged in a circular table in how many ways?
7 factorial.
7 factorial into. The ladies can be arranged among themselves. And that will be linear. Okay?
Yes, sir.
The ladies can be arranged among themselves. That will be
Linear.
linear. 7 factorial into
4 factorial.
4 factorial. First bit is I repeat. All 4 ladies will sit together. So we'll assume these 4 ladies as 1 unit. And 7 gentlemen, they are all are different units. The total number of units becomes 7 plus 1, 8. These 8 different units can be arranged in a circle, 7 factorial ways. Work is not completed. Now the girls can be arranged among themselves linearly by 4 factorial ways.
Sir, how can we understand when they will be arranged linearly or in circular way?
These are girls. G, 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 T. Here boys. Okay. Now corresponding to every arrangement, 7 boys and 4 girls. Girls are together. Now if you arrange these girls among themselves, is it linear or circular?
Linear.
Linear. We are arranging among themselves. These 4 girls doesn't constitute a circle among themselves.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Now, no two ladies sit together. Let us first arrange boys. Forget girls, keep the girls aside. The 7 boys can be arranged in a circle in how many ways? 6 factorial ways?
Yes, sir.
7 boys can be arranged around a circle in 6 factorial ways. Work is not completed. Now for girls, how many places we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. for girls, how many places we have so
7.
that they won't sit together? 7. For 4 girls, how many places we have?
7.
7. But at a time we need only 4. At a time we need only 4.
4.
Select any 4. Now in these 4 places, in how many ways we can arrange the girls? 4 factorial.
4
Once
factorial.
we arrange circularly in a circle something, after that we are arranging something that will be linear. Okay. So there are 7 possible places for girls, but we need at a time only 4. Let us select 4 out of 7, and in these 4 places, in how many ways we can arrange 4 girls?
4 factorial.
We have 4 girls, 4 place. Corresponding to each selection of 4 place, number of arrangements, 4 factorial. Corresponding to these many selections, this one. And there is nothing but 7p4. There is nothing but
7p4.
7p4. Or else the same logic, if you use the basic logic, first girl has 7 options, second girl has 6 options, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4. Same. All are same. Okay. Third bit. All boys and all girls sit together. All girls sit together. Tell me the answer. All boys and all girls sit together.
11 factorial, 10 factorial. Yes.
So all boys among themselves sit together. ये लैंग्वेज में गलत लिखा क्या? All boys sit together. And all girls also sit together. What will be the answer?
Seven factorial into 4 factorial. 7 factorial into 4 factorial.
7 factorial into
4
4
factorial.
factorial.
correct. 7 factorial into 4 factorial because
Both are arranged linearly, sir.
Once you just assume 7 boys 1 unit, 4 girls 1 unit. The total number of different units are only 2. The two persons in a circle can be arranged only in one way. 2 different units can be arranged around a circle only one way. 7 boys 1 unit, 4 girls 1 unit. So we have only 2 different units. 2 different units around a circle can be arranged only if you put B here, A here, put it in, same.
Yes, sir.
Two different units can be arranged around a circle only in one way, that is 1 into. Now boys can be arranged among themselves. Work is not completed. 7 factorial into 4 factorial. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Find the number of ways of preparing a chain. Find number of ways of preparing a chain. Preparing a chain with 6 different colored beads. With 6 different colored beads. Suppose these are 6 different colored beads. 6 different colored beads can be arranged around a circle. In how many ways? 5 factorial ways. Okay. Now, suppose this is B1, this is B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. These are different beads. Okay. Now, look at here. Suppose this is this circular arrangement. Okay. This is say B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6. And if you just flip it like this, in this way. Right now it is like this. And if you just flip it, then B6 becomes B2, B5 becomes B3. It remains same, B1 remains same. That is different circular arrangement. Like if you flip it, it will be like B1, B2 will be B6, will be B4, B5, B4 remains same, will be B3, will be B2. You understood? If you just see, once you arrange persons around a circular table, we can't flip it. But in case of chain, garland, this is different. These are 2 different circular arrangements. These are 2 different circular arrangements, but the same garland with same garland. Suppose this is a garland, this is a chain. If you flip it, it becomes this.
Yes, sir.
The circular arrangement is different, but garland is what? Same.
Yes.
The chain is same. So 2 circular arrangements gives us 1 garland or 1 chain. So factorial 5 circular arrangement. 6 beads can be arranged in how many ways in a circle? factorial 5 ways gives us 1 by 2 into 5 factorial garland. The unitary method. Okay. How many garlands will be there? 5 factorial by 2. Because 2 circular arrangements gives us same garland. So, in how many garlands are possible with n different colored beads?
n minus 1 factorial by 2.
N minus 1 factorial by 2. Correct. Now write down one question and you need to think on it.
Okay, sir.
Up to now, these are basic. Okay. Come to a question based on circular arrangements. Six persons A, B, C, D, E, and F. Six persons B, C, E, 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 and F are to be seated around a circular table. Find the number of ways in which this can be done. Find number of ways in which this can be done. This can be done. If A must have B or C on his right, he must have B or C on his right. And B must have C or D on his right. C or D on his right. And B must have C or D on his right. Just think of it. I'm giving you 2 minutes, 3 minutes to think.
Sir, by on his right, does it mean immediate right, or it can be
Immediate
after?
right. Immediate
Immediate
right.
right.
Immediate
Okay,
right.
sir.
Meaning is immediate right. Just right.
Sir, can you please close the window behind? Can you please close the window behind, sir? What is not visible?
Voice is not clear.
Sir, can you please close
Can you
the
repeat,
window,
please?
sir? Can you please close the window?
Okay, wait.
जज़ाकल्लाह
Thank you,
सर.
sir.
थैंक यू. पहले बोलना चाहिए ना, मैं सोचा आज टुडे इज नॉट सनी डे, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई केप्ट इट ओपन.
12.
So 24.
What's your answer?
24.
240.
Twelve, sir.
$72.
Very muted.
सही है
Yes, sir.
input.
These are only three possibilities. A must have B or C on his right.
Yes, sir.
These A, B must have C or D. A, B, B, C, A, B, B, D. Satisfies the condition. Other case, A has C on his right, independent, and B has D on his right. Here we will assume this as one unit. These three persons will assume this as one unit, and remaining 3 persons, 3 different units.
Yes, sir.
Total, how many different units we have?
4.
4
4.
units.
So these 4 different units can be arranged in how many ways?
4.
4 minus 1, 3
3
factorial.
factorial ways. And we can't arrange them because they have to be right. B has to be right to A, C has to be right to B. Okay. Similarly, this one, 4 minus 1 factorial ways. 1 unit, other 3 different units, 4 different units on a circle. Plus, this is 1 unit, this is
Yes.
other unit, and remaining 2 persons, 2 different units.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 1 plus 1. How many different units?
4 units.
4 also. So again here 4 minus 1 factorial. We can't arrange them because it's right. Okay. So total is equals how many? 18 bits. Any doubt?
No, sir.
So let us do some simple questions, miscellaneous type. There is not much in circular permutations. It's over. And in between, we may use somewhere. Shall I rub it?
Yes, sir. Done.
Yes, sir.
Miscellaneous type.
Sir, what is sum of main?
Main
Main.
diagonal elements.
Okay, sir.
Trace, sir. Trace.
So we'll continue tomorrow. So shall I disconnect now?
1 minute, 7. Done, sir.
Completed, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Sir, is the answer 24 to that one?
Yes, correct. Ishaq.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Correct.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.